For this raw vegan carrot ginger soup, add 2.5 cups of filtered drinking water to your high speed blender. Take about an inch of shredded or peeled and finely diced fresh ginger to the blender. Then add one soft, pitted fresh medjool date. Trader Joe's seems to have the freshest. If you have time, soak the date about 30 minutes and toss the date water, then dice it. You want to make sure that it gets ground up very well in the blender so there are no little pieces. These are nice and sticky. Add about 3/4 of an avocado. I'm using these avocado cups from Costco. It's just avocado that's blended with some salt. Add 1 cup of carrots, remove the ends, peel off the skin, and rough chop each one. Measure about 1 cup just to make sure you get the measurements right. Add that in along with 1 tablespoon of coconut aminos. Blend for about a minute. I like to start the blender on low and then I crank it up to high because otherwise it's going to be chunky and I want it fully blended. I want it to be nice and creamy. You can see the consistency right there. It becomes thicker and more like a cooked soup. So this serves about two. I'm pouring it into a medium-sized bowl. And this raw vegan carrot ginger soup is light with a little bit of creaminess from the avocado. The ginger adds a spicy kick. The coconut aminos imparts a slight coconut flavor with a touch of salt and also a touch of sweetness. For my favorite low-fat, oil-free, plant-based vegan recipes, order my cookbook with vegan nutrition facts on how to prevent and reverse disease, which chronicles my personal health and weight loss story through my website, thehigh5diet.com.